I'm going to work through the dimensional analysis problem from today's quiz. So we have calculate the mass in pounds of 6.48 liters of mercury. I'm giving you a volume of a substance and I want to know its mass. Well, I give you the density of mercury, 13.6 grams per milliliter, and then I give you the unit conversion between pounds and kilograms. Notice what I do not give you. I don't give you this. Density is mass divided by volume, which is certainly very useful to know, but with dimensional analysis, we're going to derive that equation and not need to know it explicitly. If you are not comfortable with dimensional analysis, this kind of problem will trip you up because you can't just plug and chug into D equals mv, and the reason why is the units are wrong. Density is in grams per milliliter. I'm giving you liters and I'm asking for pounds. So dimensional analysis, I'm going to keep harping on this because, again, this is something we will really go into much greater detail later in the semester with stoichiometry calculations that use dimensional analysis. So how do we start this particular problem? 6.48 liters of mercury is the one unique piece of information. You can write the word out or just use its symbol. Give myself enough room. Liters of mercury, I'm trying to get to mass. Well, we have density, but it's in the wrong unit. So 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. I should say our starting point is in the wrong units. You could convert this to pounds per liter if you really wanted to, but that's, again, a much more cumbersome way of solving the problem. Liters cancel. Now we have milliliters, which now allows me to use this value. So 13.6 grams of mercury for 1 milliliter. Okay. Now we're in the unit of grams. That is mass, which is what we want to use. But we've got a conversion to, we're trying to get to pounds, right? And we've got a conversion of pounds to kilograms, not to grams. So we say 1,000 grams is 1 kilogram. Now, I didn't give you this conversion because this is a metric conversion. I expect you to know the metric system. All right, so you're wondering, where did that come from? Now we have kilograms. All right, and well, here's our final conversion. What do? Well, we take 0.4536 kilograms is equivalent to 1 pound, and I didn't write it explicitly, but this would be mercury, so I'll just put that in there for all of this. And now kilograms cancel. We have pounds of mercury, so we go ahead and do the math. You notice 1,000 divided by 1,000, that cancels. When you do the math, you should get 194 pounds of mercury. 3 significant figures because we start with 3 sig figs here, and that's the end of the game. You can't gain significant figures by multiplying and dividing. So 3 sig figs. But